Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a quick backup before changing the taskbar so you can revert if needed. First, open Settings, then go to Personalization and select Taskbar. This central panel controls layout, icons, and behavior. Once there, toggle taskbar visibility and auto-hide to see immediate effects, and choose which system icons remain visible. Make sure to note preferred colors and icon sizes now, because those selections determine subsequent options and keep the workflow efficient. Now you adjust core visual choices. Set alignment left or center to change balance, pick small or large icons to increase space, and select combining behavior so labels appear or hide. Next, configure which system icons and overflow items are visible. This reduces clutter and makes critical tools accessible. Once done, open colors to pick a taskbar color, enable transparency if desired, and allow accent color from background for cohesive aesthetics. These choices affect contrast and finish by applying your settings and testing them. Sign out and sign back in or restart Windows Explorer to ensure consistency across displays. If something looks wrong, icons misaligned, missing, or color issues, reset the taskbar settings to default and reapply custom choices, or reinstall the specific app whose icon failed to show. Make a restore point before major changes so you can revert quickly, and if problems persist, check for system updates because a patched bug often resolves odd visual glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.